At this time I'm in the Netherlands, the southwest. My friends recommended this place as a beautiful underwater world life, and I thought it's a beautiful day, let's go to the beach and let's film. You can already see over here a good vegetation, the color is good, so it means the life, there must be a lot of life over here. I'm just speeding around to see more. I need to go deeper into the sea. But you can also see me sometimes crash, but that's just a part of it. And I needed to get used to the waves on the water, and some beautiful images occur even if you speed in the water. It's always so crazy, all those oxygen bubbles you see on the right. You see something over there, but I'm not sure what it was. But you can look back and maybe you know what it is, and just give it just say it to us in the comments. There was a lot of life. You can see it over there. You can see a jellyfish, the redness on the floor, and it was in the Netherlands. There are a lot of underwater waves, and you can see that on the cam also, that it shakes suddenly even there's nothing. That's because of the wave on the water in the Netherlands is very strong, and there are a lot of jellyfishes, and that was so strange. I didn't know we had in the Netherlands so many jellyfishes at the coast. But the problem was on the camera, when I was filming, I couldn't see it clearly always, and then I thought it was just a bag on the water. But see how much of them are here. I wouldn't swim over here if I was you guys, because you will definitely get stung by those jellyfish. You also saw their tentacles; they are very poisonous. You won't die from it, of course, but it will hurt, and you can't do anything about jellyfish poison. And you can see it's a little bit stronger, the waves over here. I'm also going a little bit slower to film it better, and the colors, I'm always amazed by the colors on the water. There are some oysters over here and stones, it's mixed, and you see right in the corner down there a just strange feature. I thought it was, but it's just how do you say it in English? In Dutch we call it a garnaal. It's just a shrimp. And we saw also divers. There were a lot of divers, but I didn't want to disturb them, so I continued. And you can see the diver's hand over there. It was actually very funny because they were very nice people, and we were just diving next together, everyone minding his own business. It is always funny to see people underwater also. And so I continued the road, or the waves, maybe you could say it if you're in water, I'm not sure. And we are diving slowly down and then speeding up to see more, and you see that strange fish over there. I really, also that part, I really don't know what it was, and I was like, what is that? And I drove backwards, but I couldn't find it anymore. There was very strange animals I've seen today in the water, and I live here for my whole life, and I really didn't know what it was. And I got stuck over here. Maybe you can see it between those stones and oysters. It's not the best for the cam. I saw it when I took the cam out of the water. There was a lot of damages, but it doesn't matter. We have better images, and it's worth it. You can see good that I'm really stuck over this place. So, there was, when I took the drone out of the water, I saw a lot of stuff stuck in the motors, the rotators. So that's why it doesn't fly, drive, swim the drone as well. And look guys, we are going to see some crab. That's over here, I think. I'm really stuck over here, guys. It was incredible how much dirt I had. Look, there's a crab. And he was like, what the fuck is this? And I was like, oh shit, I want to see more, but like the rotators didn't work that well, so I couldn't find this one back. But later I found another crab, and he was better to see. You can see him over there, right? Yeah, over there. He's over there standing. But unfortunately, the rotators didn't work well anymore at this point. And sometimes if you look good, you see more shrimps just swimming by, little fish. But you can really notice I'm stuck. And then you see also in the camera some lightning, but lightning. So that's just because the light of the drone. Some fishes again, they're just swimming, minding their business, and probably they will get a little bit crazy of the drone sound and waves it creates, and they think what kind of strange fish is that. It's just a drone. And I really, sometimes it was really hard to control rotators when there's stuff stuck in them. So I sometimes suddenly make really weird moves. And over here I'm really stuck. After this part I couldn't, there was so much stuff in the rotators, I couldn't go back. So I went just a little bit more to the front, and after a while I just pulled the cord, because there's a cord attached to the drone. Then I pulled the cord to take the drone out of the water. But I saw some good pictures, some good stuff to film before I took the drone out. And you see the crop again, and there is our friend, probably another one. But you can see how much